All right, this is replacing your jack for a Recon 500 Turtle Beach headset. Um, your white wire is hooks onto this. It goes to the back, which is your mic. Your blue wire is your left, which goes right there. Your green wire is your right. And then up here would be your ground, which consists of your copper wire, your red and green fine wires with your red wire. And over here is your red wire, your fine green and red. Your white is your mic. Your blue is your left earpiece, and your green is your right earpiece.
Recon 500.